Okay. Oof. Okay, I don't want to do a cringy intro, so I'm not gonna say what's up, guys, even though I just said it just then. Right now I'm just building my base in Subnautica. I'm just building tons of these because they will help me. I can build another one. I can build another one? And another one! Oh my god. The space is gonna be so high. Okay, so I want to build in a hatch. Oh, I just remembered I have to build in power. Sorry. Power. Solar panels. I'm not going to put them on the places where I can build vertical things. Because I want to build vertical things. And I've got limited power, so I've got to put in tons of solar power. Solar panels. Oh, crap. I keep on forgetting about oxygen. Why? I gotta build that up there. Then now I gotta somehow get a solar panel up there. Okay, I got a hatch here somewhere. Okay, right here.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Okay, now I need a ladder. Where is the ladder? Okay. Oh, there is power up here. That's good. That's good to know. Window there. Window there. Window there. Hatch here. Oh, that's the most funniest thing ever. Yes. The base is coming on together very well. Oh, wait. Deconstruct that. Put that there. I'm gonna have to put these somewhere because I don't want my base to be destroyed instantly from pressure. So I'm gonna build a couple of these and then put some reinforcements on there. Because if I don't put reinforcements on, oh done. The base is just gonna get destroyed instantly. Yep. Oxygen. Of course, it's oxygen. It's always oxygen that kills me. As you guys see, I'm not the best at building the base, but I'm decent at least. Another vertical connector needs to be here. Okay, I'm just putting that there for no reason. There we go. Now I gotta put a ladder in. Okay, I gotta put it there. And I can go here. Yes, this is coming together well. Very well. Okay, I need to put a foundation up. Right there. Yes, that works very well. Alright, now I gotta go in here. Oh, it's gonna be nighttime, so it's like, nope.
Detecting increased local radiation levels. Trend is consistent with damage to the Aurora's drive core sustained during planet fall.
I need to be able to walk. I gotta keep on building foundations. Fine, I'll just build a fabricator here. Okay, I need to get some more solar panels. Right, first I need some more reinforcements. So I want my base being the best base ever. Okay, let's see if I can make another vertical. Yes! Oh my god. This actually works. Hatch there. Okay.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
So this base is going to need more power. I can't put a ladder there because there's nothing up there. Actually, no, I have to put an X up there. There. I'm going to keep on building X's. Because they look really good. X. Okay, I can't put that there. Okay. I need to build solar panels. Come on, why can't I build it up there? Things doo-doo. I need a power transmitter. Oh, I don't even have one, damn. Okay, who cares? Does it work? Yep, does. Good. Like I said, I want this to be the best base that there ever was. Hatch. Foundation. Up that. I need to find the ladder that goes up. Right here. Oh, the windows make it weaker. Okay, that's good to know. That's good to know. Up here. There we go.
Caution. Continued degradation of the Aurora's drive core may result in a quantum detonation. Continuing to monitor.
How big is this space gonna be? Imagine Sunbeam seeing me building this. They'll be like, "What?" And then they would come down, and then they would be like, Are you gonna live here? And I'm gonna be like, yeah.
Calorie intake recommended.
Oh crap. I need food. I need food. I need food.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Now? Oh, I only get disinfected water.
Preparing the day's water ration ahead of time will help ensure against dehydration and eventual death.
Beeper, I need you.
New creature discovered.
This is Aurora. Distress signal received. Rescue operation will be dispatched to your location in 9 hours. Continue to monitor for emergency transmissions from other life forms.
Vital signs stabilizing.
So there is my massive base so far. It's pretty massive. Okay. So I need to quickly build an X there. I'm gonna make one to go to space. Will I be able to place a foundation here? No! Crap, dude. I think this is how high I'm gonna get. Unless... Oh my god, I actually did that. Oh, I did. Beautiful. And I actually took fall damage, which is nice. Yeah. Oh, no. Oh my god. I have to place a foundation or else I'm just not gonna be able to do anything. I'm not gonna be able to make my base as high as the Aurora. Foundation. I can't put the foundation anywhere, so I'm just gonna have to keep on taking fall damage. Gotta find it. Okay, that's the vertical connector. Can I put a ladder here yet? No. Ouch. Crap, dude. And there has those. Oh, no. Okay, I gotta go down some more. Okay, that's there. So, foundation. I can't put it here. So,
Congratulations, survivor. You have exceeded your weekly exercise quotient by 500%. Data indicates that swimming was your favorite activity. Be sure to vary your routine for uniform muscle development. Warning. Local radiation readings suggest the Aurora's drive core has reached critical state. Quantum detonation will occur within
guys, thank you for watching. I'm going to see you guys in the next episode, so see ya later.
I have a